Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn problems with parallel structure, skill 24. Let's check it out. Here are some problems with parallel structure. Yang pertama, dengan menggunakan nouns atau kata benda. Misalkan dalam kalimat, he likes music, art, and history. Music, art, and history sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan nouns atau kata benda. Berikutnya, dengan menggunakan gerunds atau verb ing yang berfungsi sebagai noun, misalkan, he likes swimming, dancing, and horseback riding. Swimming, dancing, and horseback riding adalah sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan gerunds. Next, dengan menggunakan adjektif atau kata sifat, misalkan, she is tall, slim, and pretty. Tall, slim, and pretty adalah sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan adjektif atau kata sifat. Next, dengan menggunakan infinitive, misalkan dalam kalimat, they wanted to paint the living room, to lay a new carpet, and to buy a new sofa. Di sini, to paint the living room, to lay a new carpet, and to buy a new sofa sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan infinitive. Next, dengan menggunakan bentuk past tense, for example, the Romans conquered, colonized, and governed much of the world. Di sini, conquered, colonized, and governed sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan bentuk past tense atau kata kerja bentuk kedua. Next, dengan menggunakan bentuk past perfect tense, misalkan dalam contoh kalimat berikut ini, he had finished the game, had taken a shower, and had eaten lunch by the time I got to his house. Di sini, had finished, had taken, and had eaten sama-sama menggunakan bentuk past perfect tense. Oke, yang maknanya adalah seperti ini. He had finished the game, had taken a shower, and had eaten lunch by the time I got to his house. Dia sudah selesai bermain game, selesai mandi, dan selesai makan siang pada waktu saya datang ke rumahnya. Dan itu terjadi di masa lampau. Aktivitas had finished, had taken, and had eaten itu lebih dahulu dilakukan daripada by the time I got to his house. Maknanya sama dengan kalimat berikut ini. He had finished the game, taken a shower, and eaten lunch by the time I got to his house. Perhatikan, di sini ada had finished dengan menggunakan kata kerja bentuk ketiga, kemudian taken, di sini kata kerja bentuk ketiga, dan eaten sama-sama dengan bentuk ketiga juga. Kalimat pertama dan kedua ini memiliki makna yang sama. Use parallel structure with coordinate conjunctions. The coordinate conjunctions and, but, or can join nouns, verbs, adjectives, phrases, subclauses, or main clauses. They must join together two or more of the same thing. Coordinate conjunctions berikut ini, yaitu and, but, or, bisa menggabungkan nouns atau kata benda, atau verbs atau kata kerja, adjectives atau kata sifat, phrases, frase, subclauses, anak kalimat, atau main clauses, induk kalimat. Berikut ini, two nouns joins by a coordinate conjunction. Misalkan dalam kalimat, You need to meet the manager or the secretary. Di sini, the manager or the secretary sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan nouns atau kata benda. Next, he is not a teacher but a doctor. Di sini sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan noun atau kata benda. The next example, you can choose from the following activities such as rock climbing and bungee jumping. Di sini, rock climbing and bungee jumping sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan nouns atau kata benda. Two verbs joined by a coordinate conjunction. Berikut ini adalah contohnya. He only eats and sleeps when he spends his time at his mother's house. Di sini, eats and sleeps sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan kata kerja bentuk pertama atau present tense. Next, he often shares his experience about his job but never talks about his private life. Di sini, shares dan talks sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan bentuk present tense atau kata kerja bentuk pertama. The next example, you can get a job or continue your study after you graduate from your college. Di sini, get or continue sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan bentuk present tense atau kata kerja bentuk pertama. Next, two adjectives joined by a coordinate conjunction. Misalkan, he is nice and humble. Sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan adjektif atau kata sifat. The next example, the exam that he gave was long but easy. Long but easy sama-sama paralel dengan menggunakan adjektif atau kata sifat. Ujian yang dia berikan itu panjang tapi mudah. Next, your life can be interesting or boring. Interesting or boring sama-sama menggunakan adjektif atau kata sifat. Hidup Anda bisa menarik atau membosankan, tergantung kita bagaimana menyikapinya. Next, two phrases joined by a coordinate conjunction. Misalkan, there are some people in the office and in front of the building. Di sini sama-sama menggunakan frase in the office and in front of the building. Next, you can seek him in the canteen or at the library during the recess. Di sini, in the canteen or at the library sama-sama menggunakan bentuk frase. Next, the ticket will be ready not at noon but at 2 o'clock. Sama-sama menggunakan frase at noon or at 2. Next, two clauses joined by a coordinate conjunction. Misalkan, you study because you have to be and because you want to be. Sama-sama menggunakan bentuk klausa, you study because you have to be and because you want to be. Next, people don't care about what you say or what you do. Sama-sama menggunakan bentuk klausa, what you say or what you do. Next, Your father likes to eat Italian food, but your mother prefers to eat Asian food. Sama-sama menggunakan klausa. Your father likes to eat Italian food, but your mother prefers to eat Asian foods. Now, it is time for us to do the following exercise. Number 1, what do you think is the best answer? The Greeks adapted the Phoenician alphabet but changing a few letters. Yang manakah yang kurang tepat dari kata-kata berikut ini? Oke, di sini dengan menggunakan bentuk kedua, adapted, mestinya di sini yang C juga menggunakan bentuk kedua. So, it must be the Greeks adapted the Phoenician alphabet but changed a few letters. Change dengan menggunakan bentuk kedua. Past tense. Next, when sun bear calves are born, they are almost completely hairless, can't hear, and blind. What do you think is the wrong words? Yang manakah kata-kata yang tidak tepat? Oke, di sini ada hairless, tidak berambut, kemudian blind, buta. Mestinya di sini bukan kata kerja, mestinya sama-sama kata sifat karena di sini adjektif hairless, kemudian di sini blind, buta, sama-sama adjektif. Mestinya can't hear, tidak bisa mendengarkan, itu bisa kita ganti dengan deaf. Tidak bisa mendengarkan atau tuli. So D is the best answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you can learn from this and keep practicing. See you next time.